Recording is on.
It is the 10th of December 2020, WIKISPEED Weekly Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. This past week, we initiated the kind of working session Friday night. I did get tutored on logging in with WIKISPEED and doing the recording with Dropbox and so forth. That's all I can think of right now. So that's it for me. Blocks or coming week. Coming week is same as last week. Charitable status and mastering the recording and so forth, so it's not just one person. And blocks are pretty busy with this and that, and so that's it for me.
Okay, it's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon, Canada. I still don't have enough bandwidth to turn the video on. This past week, I got the video posted for last week. I did a little bit of work on the level sensor repeater. It's still not one piece of source code, but it's working a little bit better. So I'm working on getting it into one chunk of source code and getting it posted to Wiki Project. And Wiki Project had some interesting stuff this week. Sounds like they got themselves some money. They raised some funding, and they are doing like a work share thing on CAD. Several different CAD packages are supported. I haven't checked whether the one we use is supported yet, but that'll be for next week. No progress on the level sensor enclosure, the mobile battery inverter, or the SunFounder Raspberry Pi car. But for next week, I will be looking into Wiki Project and finding out what kind of CAD packages they're supporting. I would, where did I write that down? I still want to test out that new board for Suncatcher, get all the code in for the level sensor and the repeater, and figure out how to get my Suncatcher battery charged. That's been a block for me for 3 weeks now. I still haven't located the silly charger, and I think I should just go buy another one. And that was the only block I've got, and I think that's about it for me. Lauren, I think you're still muted.
Question. What's Wiki Project?
Isn't it? Oh, sorry, Wiki Factory, not Wiki Project.
Oh yeah, interesting. Okay, I got some stuff from them. So okay, all right. So I'll carry on. Let's get the ceremonies done. So it's I'm going to give myself a 3. Oh, except I'm adding something. So I'm tacking something on with the that I did this week. Oh yes. So we had our gutters. We had there's a specialist in roofs and gutters here, and I was not, or at least, yeah, we weren't happy with the taste of our water when I was mixing the well water with the roof water, which was quite, the gutters needed cleaning. So anyways, I guess it was this person was too busy in the warmer weather, and then they need clear days without rain to work on the gutters and the roof. But I got gutter covers. So anyways, it's peripherally relevant in that I'm doing stuff with my sister, and I actually mentioned the project. Yeah, so and actually they pointed out that the one side of the cistern that's against the house is so kind of constrained that you can wedge the ladder in there and there's no way it can fall. So it's pretty safe to go up and do stuff with the cistern. So anyways, that's peripherally relevant if I'm going to say be another test site for the sensor, or to try and do one myself and report on it. So anyways, I'll give myself a 4 in that case, and the team is a 9. And the process improvement is, let's get a third or more people on, 3 or more people on the call again. And that's it for me.
Okay. I am going to give myself probably a 6 out of 10. Team, I'm going to go with a 8. It would be nice to get, I think you're right, it would be nice to get more people on the call. We don't really have a plan to do that. I'm not sure that's a process improvement, but anyway, I think that pretty much wraps up our formal ceremony. What would you like to talk about? Oh, you're still muted. Nope, you're still muted.
Hello.
There we go.
Yes. Okay, crosstalk. And I'm happy to have this recorded because this is techie stuff about Jitsi. So I don't feel like sharing the screen. I'm going to actually ask you to do this. Take a look at security. It's under settings. So you go to ... settings.
Oh, so it isn't just
No, it's not that one. It's not that one. I'm wrong. It's...
Is it the little shield thing beside the ...
Yeah, the security, the shield, exactly.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. So lobby mode, yeah, we know about that. Yeah, password, we know about that. End-to-end encryption and experimental. They announced with a lot of fanfare that they have end-to-end encryption. But if you click on the more, you lose the ability to record live streaming and phone participation. And it only works for people joining from browsers with support for insertable streams. But I can't resist trying it and seeing if my browser supports it.
Okay, so we'll have to try that maybe on Friday.
Sure, yeah. If you want to get going, then that's fine.
I don't know.
I was just going to click it right now and see what happens.
Well, if we turn it on in the middle, it's probably going to terminate the recording.
Oh, right. Yeah, but that would be cool. So that's it for this week. And we're experimenting with the end-to-end encryption.
Okay, so you're going to turn that on. I'll turn it on.
Yeah. Why don't I turn it on and let's see what happens. It's pretty... Okay.
My lock went away.
Yeah, my lock went away.
Okay, you froze.
Oh, can you hear me?
I can still hear you, but your video froze.
Okay. All right. So it's a bit of a stress. Back again?
Well, I got another snapshot, and then I've still got audio, but the video hasn't moved for a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. So it's the video encryption that's...
Well, I mean, we did experience audio encryption at the time, but when I turned it off, I could still hear you, so it was a little weird.
Yeah, but when I turned on encryption, you didn't have it on. Was my picture still good?
No, it went googly.
So the video and the audio was gone.
Yep.
Yeah, interesting. Very.
It was still updating, but you couldn't actually see you.
Yeah, and now you got now that it's obviously it doesn't. And it's still experimental. That's what the experimental thing is about.
Yeah, so we'll
It
see
doesn't
what the video
handle
looks like
going back.
we'll see what it looks like when we post it.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, great.
So we're still going to do 7 o'clock your time, 9 o'clock my time tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're going to log in so that we can get you recording, right?
Yes. That's my job.
Okay.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.